Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got an unbagging for y'all. Now, just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and if you get tired of hearing me say that, too bad, so sad, because I'm going to tell you every time. So, where does this come from? Y'all, this comes from Everydayedeals, okay? Now, I have done PR packages for them in the past, and they are a wonderful company. So, I just want to say thank you to Everydayedeals for allowing me the opportunity to show their products to all of y'all. And I know y'all appreciate it just as well as I do. So, let's get into what I got. I hope everybody's having a great day. I know there's something else in here. Okay. Well, piece of plastic. Alright, so what did I get from Everydayedeals? Well, let's push that over to the side, and I am going to show you something that I got because I thought it was cute. If I can get it out of the bag. Okay, I'm apparently on the struggle bus today because apparently they magically stuck this in the bag without an opening. Nope, there it is. Okay. Oh, I was so excited for this one. This is just too cute. Too cute. What is it? Ta-da! It's a puppy dog. But what is it? It's a squishy. It's like a squishy. Look at that. Look at that. It's a puppy dog, and he's got a little snail on his head. And this is so squishy. Just, I guess if you get mad at your drills, you can just squish it. But it is a pin. So it is a single placer. So, and this comes out. I guess you could put this on any pin. But it has a little cap. Just snaps on. But isn't he cute? There's nothing on the back. It's just the front side. But look, y'all. At Everydayedeals, you can get this. Let's see. Squishy pin. I forgot what it's called on their website. It's a real long name, but I just call it squishy pin. But they are only, let's see, I have everything written down. They're only $3.99 for a squishy pin. And y'all, they have got like five or six different characters. They have a cat. They've got the dog. Seems like they had, Lord, I don't remember. Y'all just have to go look because there's just different characters. But look at the squish. Squishy, squishy. It's just so cute. So cute. Love it. Alright. So, what else did I get? Well, I got some canvases. And as y'all know, I love these little girls. And yes, I did get a couple of them. So, this one is a 30 by 40 round poured glue, and I am just going to go backwards and just kind of do it like this so it will straighten out. But this is the one that I picked out, and isn't she pretty? Alright, so it just comes with your basic toolkit, which is your green boat, a square pink wax, and a pink single placer pin. That's it, which is all you need. And then, let's see, we have, let me get these to where the colors will come down. Alright, hopefully you can see it. We have got blues, different shades of blues. We have grays. We have purples. We have some yellow. Yeah. So pretty. So pretty. Alright. So she has got 22 colors. She has got a schematic at the top left, bottom right. We are working with letters, which is wonderful. She has got the DMC on the schematic. The drill field is a very clear. Very clear. Let's see. Very sticky. So that's good. And let's see. She has got, yeah, the canvas number is on the bag of drills. And they are numbered. So she, let's see. These are called Cute Girls. And they are $6.99 each. Okay? And there are a ton of them on Everyday Deals site. Okay? Actually, there are, other than one other company, I think there's more of these on Everyday Deals than any other company that I have seen. So, yeah, I was very excited to be able to do another PR package for them. So, $6.99 for this one, and I don't know what number it was because, like I said, there's several, and they are listed, you know, Cute Girl 1, Cute Girl 2. So, this one, $6.99. Alright, so we're going to set that one to the side. And we are going to open another. Alright, I might have to get the scissors out for this. I hate using my scissors because I'm always afraid I'm going to cut the canvas. Okay. Alright. Did I get that enough to where I could rip it open? Maybe, maybe. Yeah. Okay, let me move that. Okay, so this one, this is another 30 by 40 poured glue, standard regular kit. Now this canvas is in baggies, but they are round. This is a full round drill, and these are the colors. They're kind of muted. But we've got some different colors of gray. We've got some burgundies, some pinks, and some brown. Alright. So, this is the one that I chose. Like I said, it is a 30 by 40. This is another Cute Girl for $6.99. She has 20 colors. It is all letters, and the DMC numbers are on the schematic, which is on the top left, bottom right. Very sticky. Actually stickier than the other one, and the other one was pretty sticky. It's funny how some can be stickier than others, but isn't she pretty? She's got this long, flowing black hair with roses all in her hair. It looks like she's gone picking flowers. She's got a basket with roses in it. Isn't she gorgeous? Lord, I have long hair. Mine, I did cut it not too long ago, but it is about to the middle of my back. But I could not imagine having that much hair. Woo! I'm not a short hair person. I don't like my hair short. I've had it short several times and I don't like it. So I kind of keep it long. But, wow. I could not imagine. Can you imagine having to wash that and then brush it? Oh my God. Alright, okay. So anyway, this one is also $6.99. But she come in the baggies, so that's pretty cool. And on the baggies, it has the size of the canvas. It has the DMC numbers on the bags and the canvas number. So there's that one. Alright, next. Alright, and y'all, I promise not all of my unbaggings are going to be these gorgeous girls. I promise you. I do have some ordered that they're not the girls. Alright, so this is the next one that I got. Again, just your regular toolkit. And these are also in baggies. But they only have the number. Well, they've got the canvas number on there, but I'll rewrite that. But they're in baggies, and you can see there's grays and pinks and purples and some orange. Very pretty. Very pretty palette. This one's going to be a little dark, but it's not too dark to where you need a light pad, I don't think. And my eyes are horrible, y'all. So if I can see this with just my overhead light, then we're good. But she has got 22 colors. We are going to be working with letters. Has the DMC on the schematics, which is wonderful. Top left, bottom right. Let's see. Very sticky. And maybe you can see the drill field, because it looks really good. It's very clear. I mean, I can see it from here. And I'm standing up. So she is, you know, all of these gorgeous girls have names. And I have been trying and trying and trying. I'm on a Facebook group called Gorgeous Girl something. Anyway, I have been trying to locate actually how many images there actually are of the gorgeous girls and what each of them's name are. I know of 5 canvases that I have. I know their names, but I am slowly trying to find the names to all of the gorgeous girls. But this one is, there's all kinds of stars. There's the moon. And then she's got a net in a jar. And she is catching the stars and putting them in her jar. So wouldn't that be neat if her name was Star Catcher or something? Possibly. But she's got a star in her hair. But I thought she was very pretty. Just really pretty. And I just thought, I liked the image. And the first thing that popped into my head when I seen it was that, you know, reaching for the stars or something. You know, just something corny. But, yeah, anyway. Again, she is a 30 by 40. She was, what did I say? $6.99. So, let's go to the next one. Alright, so this is my last one that I got from Everydayedeals. Oh, they got that taped. Whew. I'm afraid I'm going to cut it. Alright, let's see. Alright. This canvas is a stiff canvas. Alright, regular toolkit. Here's the colors, and these bags have the DMC number on it and the canvas number. So that's pretty nice. But you can see there's purples, different shades of purples, some greens, blue. We've got some browns and grays and some like reddish colors in the background there. Alright, so let me kind of straighten this one up a little bit. Alright, so this is the last one, y'all. And this is the image that I got. And she is a 30 by 40 also. She has 20 colors. And it is all letters. DMC is on the chart. So we have a schematic at the top left, bottom right. Very sticky. And I really like the colors to this one, that teal and that purple. But she has got a earphone or earbuds in. She's listening to music, and there's little music notes all over. Hopefully y'all can see that. And this is so confetti heavy. Look at that background. Wow. It's like every other. It's like AP, 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 AP. Yeah. Well, there's some blocking right there. There's some A's. But yeah. Woohoo! That's going to be checkerboard. Which I like doing checkerboard. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, I like the colors in this. And the drill field is clear. So she was $6.99 also. So I just think she was pretty. But alright, so let's just do a little recap. All of these came from Everydayedeals, who I want to thank again because they were generous enough to send me these PR packages to show to everyone so that you know what kind of quality that they carry. And y'all, I love this company. I have never had any issues with this company. And I really like them. And like I said, with these little squishy pins, that is so fun. I'm going to end up playing with this more than diamond painting. That is just so, it feels just weird, but I like it. But anyway, I just got to keep it away from booger. So yeah, the canvases were $6.99 each. Squishy dog pen was $3.99. And like I said, there are 5 different characters I know of this. So there's something for everybody. So right now they are also doing a buy one get one free, and I will put the links to everything in my description box. And yeah, y'all leave me a comment, let me know what you think about everything, and until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.